Academy is Adrien Cavallin. I graduated 2 years ago from the ARBA-ESA, Royal Academy of Brussels Fine Art. Basically, the price is for 2 people. Due to the coronavirus, the price of last year was postponed, and then we are 4 to the residency altogether. My opinion, being 4 was a good experience, meeting people I never met in the academy, discovering new works and new way of working. My work is about performance and resilience, trying to face these 2 terms each other. I came here with a sculpture I did last year. It was like a starting point for me to develop a space here where it could live and dialogue with other pieces and characters. So I started to build a wall, kind of decor where the pieces could take place, a decor of a shop. This experience was really interesting in some point. I discovered it was a liminal state between the school and the professional work, the professional field of art was quite specific, I think. I learned and I will learn a lot about this field because it feeds a lot my work, how things going on, how the competitions work, and how we can have a conversation between actors, artists, curators, etc.